Hello YouTube, today I have a double unboxing. I have a double unboxing today of, well, you'll find out when I open it. Okay, first, I need a knife. Alright, let's open this first. Okay. Alright, so let's open this up. And yes, it's a PSP 3000. Alright, so let's get it open. Alright, here's the open me first thing. I think you'll open that in a bit. Battery. The adapter. The other parts of the adapter. And the best part, the PSP. And wow, it's really light. Put this right here for now. We'll open me first. Let's open it up. PlayStation Protection Plan, ESRB ratings, Quick Start Guide, some other stuff, I guess an ad, and the full manual. And yeah. Okay. See if it can turn on. This in here. Put it back on. And let's turn it on. Okay, looks like it has a little bit of juice in it. Oh wow. 3 bars, okay. It's really just really nice compared to all the other ones. And it's still so light even with the battery. Let's see what it can do. No system. It's great, it's so beautiful, it's vivid. It's really nice. Alright, now before I make this extremely long, let's get to the other part of this unboxing. I also ordered Naruto Shippuden Akatsuki Rising for the PSP. There it is. Now let's see if it can work inside of here. Looks like it's loading up. And there you have it. It's starting. There you go. Now if you would like to get one of your own or something else, sign up in the link below. And that's about it. I had this completely free. Didn't have to pay for nothing, no shipping or anything. If you wanna get your own, sign up below. 200, and if you sign up below with my link, you will get 250 free points. And that's it. Subscribe if you like this video, and that's it.